Have you ever felt overwhelmed when trying to manage diabetes through diet alone? I bet you have. It's a common struggle we hear about time and time again. Many people living with diabetes find it challenging to balance their diet to manage their blood sugar levels. It's like walking a tightrope, isn't it? A balanced diet is the cornerstone of diabetes management. But let's be honest, it's not as easy as it sounds. The world of nutrition is a maze. With so much conflicting advice out there, it's no wonder many of us feel confused and frustrated. What to eat? What to avoid? How much is too much? These are all questions that can keep you up at night, right? But here's the good news. You're not alone in navigating this maze. We understand your struggle, and today, we're going to make it a bit easier for you. So, buckle up as we embark on this journey together. You're not alone in this journey, and today, we're going to make it a bit easier for you. A diet plan is not just a list of what to eat and what to avoid. It is a comprehensive approach towards achieving balance and control in your life. Imagine it as your personal roadmap, guiding you on a journey towards better health and well-being. For those living with diabetes, this roadmap becomes even more vital. It can help you manage your blood sugar levels, lose weight, and reduce the risk of complications such as heart disease and kidney damage. A diet plan provides structure to your meals, ensuring you're getting the right balance of nutrients. It can help you avoid the peaks and valleys of blood sugar spikes and crashes, leading to more consistent energy levels throughout the day. Moreover, having a plan reduces stress. You don't have to constantly worry about what to eat next or whether it's good for you. Instead, you can focus on enjoying your meals and living your life. A well-structured diet plan is your best ally in the fight against diabetes. The first step in creating your diet plan is understanding your unique needs. Just as each individual is unique, so too are our dietary needs. In order to create the most effective diet plan, we must consider a variety of factors specific to each person. This includes age, as nutritional requirements shift throughout our life journey. Weight is another key factor, as it can significantly impact our caloric and nutrient needs. Activity level also plays a crucial role. Are you a marathon runner or more of a leisurely walker? Your energy needs will differ accordingly. And let's not forget other health conditions. For instance, if you have high blood pressure, you might need to pay extra attention to your sodium intake. The importance of consulting with a healthcare professional or dietitian cannot be overstated. They can provide personalized advice and help tailor a diet plan that best fits your lifestyle and medical conditions. Remember, your diet plan should be as unique as you are. Balancing your meals is the key to managing your blood sugar levels. Now you may wonder, how do we strike this balance? We achieve it by incorporating all food groups into our diet. Including a variety of food groups ensures we get a mix of different nutrients. Let's take a moment to dive into the world of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, and how they play a crucial role in our daily meals. Carbohydrates, often the main protagonist in our meals, are the primary source of energy for our bodies. But remember, not all carbohydrates are created equal. Opt for complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, as they are digested slowly, thus providing a steady release of glucose into the bloodstream. Next, we have proteins. A critical player in our daily diet, proteins help in tissue repair and immune function. Foods like lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, legumes, and nuts are excellent sources of protein. And then, there are fats. While often cast as the villain, fats are essential for absorbing vitamins and protecting our heart and brain health. Choose healthier fats, like those found in avocados, olive oil, and fatty fish. Now let's talk about portion control. It's not just what you eat, but how much you eat that can affect your blood sugar. Visualize your plate divided into quarters. Fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables, a quarter with lean proteins, and the remaining quarter with carbohydrates. This method can help you keep portions in check and blood sugar levels stable. So, what does a balanced meal look like? It could be a bowl of oatmeal topped with nuts and berries for breakfast, grilled chicken with a side of vegetables and quinoa for lunch, and a piece of salmon with a sweet potato and a green salad for dinner. Remember, it's about balance, not deprivation. Balancing your meals doesn't mean you have to miss out on your favorite foods. It's all about moderation. So, go ahead, plan your meals and enjoy the process of creating a healthier lifestyle for yourself. So, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We started by acknowledging the struggles of managing diabetes through diet. It's not an easy task, and there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Each person's body responds differently to foods, and what works for one person may not work for another. But don't be disheartened. It's a journey that takes time, patience, and a lot of trial and error. Next, we emphasize the importance of a diet plan. It's not just about what you eat, but also when and how much. A well-structured diet plan can help manage blood sugar levels, prevent complications, and improve overall health. It's like having a roadmap that guides you through your day, helping you make healthier choices. Then we moved on to understanding individual needs. This is a crucial step in creating a successful diet plan. It involves knowing your body, your lifestyle, and your preferences. Remember, you're not just eating to manage your diabetes, you're eating to fuel your body and enjoy your life. So it's essential to incorporate foods that you love and that make you feel good. In the fourth step, we discussed balancing meals. This is about creating a harmony between carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in each meal. It's not about completely avoiding certain foods, but rather about learning to include them in a way that works for you. Consider the plate method, where half your plate is filled with non-starchy vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and the other quarter with carbs. It's a simple yet effective way to achieve balance. As we wrap up, it's crucial to remember that managing diabetes is a personal journey. There's no overnight success. It takes time, effort, and a lot of understanding. Always consult with a healthcare professional when creating your diet plan. They can provide guidance based on your unique needs and health status. Remember, managing your diabetes through diet is a journey, not a destination. Take small steps every day and you'll soon see big changes. Thank you for watching.